about location. This is the best location for Parade.
I agree, and I'll tell you, it was one of the most trafficked houses on Parade, and the feedback was so good. People love it because it feels like an old home in a brand new modern environment.
Absolutely.
Wow.
Look how beautiful it is with all the staging.
You know, this is one of my favorites of Halcyon ever.
I agree.
Yeah.
We got so much great feedback over the weekend of how warm and functional the floor plan is, specifically with having a guest suite on the first floor and the office as well too.
Yeah, this office is fabulous with this color drenching. The bookshelves make it
Absolutely.
so convenient. I love it being right here at the front of the house. And you know, one of the hidden gems about this house is that it sits up off the road. So you're right on Hunting Ridge, but you have so much privacy.
Absolutely.
Sitting up here like this. Oh, wow. Oh, these beams.
We love
and
bringing the
corbels.
wood tones back. We got plenty of compliments on having a formal dining room and an eating kitchen. People love the wallpaper. They were like, I love that it's got a pattern, but it's not too busy.
I agree.
You can pull different types of furniture with
I
it,
agree.
and it looks fabulous.
And it flows so well into this common area space. I love seeing this come together, Devin, because this space is so functional. This home really feels like it's been here forever, but it has all the modern conveniences
Oh, absolutely.
of a brand new home. Like this island.
The curvature of the island is stunning.
Oh, it's so stunning. And I'm loving the darker tones of lighting brought back with warmer tones of cabinets like this island, and then
The
really
cool.
beautiful details from the cool paint. It's gorgeous.
Yes, the countertops and the riser in the back with the pot filler along with the little
I
shelf.
love the shelf.
It's such a nice little detail.
So old school, and it makes it feel like it's been here forever. Panel ready, refrigerator, appliances. These are all so fabulously chic now. And can we talk about this little addition?
The little China Hutch.
How precious.
It's so thoughtful. And I mean, this really kind of acts as like what would be your butler's pantry in between your formal dining and your kitchen. So you
Totally.
can put all of your china there.
Totally. And what I'm completely obsessed with, and I know you got a ton of feedback at
Yes.
Parade this year, is the Scullery.
Yes.
And this Scullery has a second farmhouse sink, second dishwasher, beautiful lighting, great backsplash, and another window.
Yes, above the sink.
Yeah, so you don't feel like you're tucked away in a closet, but you can keep everything dirty in here and
Yes.
everything clean and functional.
Yes, and
out
as
here.
everyone was walking through, they highlighted on the warmth of the china cabinet, the island, and then the door, and how
I
it
love
all tied in.
And what we're seeing a lot now in Parade are these woven light fixtures, which is so welcome. And can we talk beams? Beams are a huge thing this season,
They
right?
are, and staining them to match the floors did an amazing job.
Yeah.
I love the size of this light fixture.
I do too. And I love the size of this room. It's wonderful to have an eating kitchen and a dining room. And then the way it plays together, you feel like you have so much entertaining space here with the built-ins. I love the drawers with the reading.
The
These are
reading's
so
very
beautiful.
pretty. And I think one thing that's really great about his floor plans is he's really intentional on being intimate, where the space doesn't feel too grand, as if you can't entertain and have your family here, so you're close enough from one room to the next. The tile backsplash is gorgeous. When I saw it on the design board, I was like, I'm not sure how I'm gonna feel about it, but seeing it here, so many people were like, is this one whole piece? Is it individual? So it was
cool.
fun seeing people walk through and pick up on those.
Let's go see the primary.
Okay, yes, let's. Okay, you obviously have to see the primary suite, but the way this lot is positioned, it provides so much natural light, and look how warm this
it's
room is.
Gorgeous. I love the beams. I love the windows. It feels bright, spacious, and just absolutely gorgeous.
Yes, and it's a great size too. It's large enough for all of your things, but it's
Yeah.
not oversized where you feel like you're in like this grand room for no reason.
Which we're starting to see a lot, which
I know,
makes no
I
sense to me.
don't like that.
The closet. Wow, all these drawers.
Beautiful, right?
Oh,
and
I love it.
The cabinetry continues throughout. Like this is such great cabinetry, and he did not miss a mark throughout.
This is a spectacular closet. I love the color. Oh my gosh. I haven't seen that.
I think we both called that this was going to be the special feature for Parade.
Wow.
It is this whole archway above the tub. It's just so elegant.
You know what? With so many incredible luxury homes here in Parade, to win a special feature like this, that makes it really special. This bathroom feels like it's been here forever.
Yes.
The tub is gorgeous.
The detailing
faucet
on the bottom of the tub, it's all very elegant.
Even the hooks. And what I love most about this shower is, number one, it's huge. I love that they pulled the warmth in and the 4 niches.
Yes,
like,
we got lots of compliments on that.
Yeah.
And another thoughtful touch is each individual piece has its own temperature gauge. So obviously the waterfall needs to be a little bit hotter.
There's 3 shower heads. I love that.
Mhm.
Yeah. And you know what else about this is fabulous? Is having separated sinks, because when I'm getting fancied up, I don't want to see all my husband's shaving stuff. You know, Austin Robertson with Halcyon has such a good eye for what women want.
Absolutely.
And they know exactly how to make us happy in a home with beautiful spaces and functionality.
Now, before we go upstairs, you have to see this mudroom and laundry room.
Oh my gosh,
Look
this is gorgeous.
at the tile.
This checkered flooring is such a thing right now. And just to point out something so simple, but details matter when it comes to homes like this.
The tiled
Look at
vent.
the tiled vents, gorgeous.
They
And
also brought the color of the primary in the trim in here.
I love that, and I love this laundry room having the shelf, the folding shelf, a sink. I mean,
A hanging rack.
A hanging rack. You know, they really thought of everything, and just beautifully
It's exactly
pulled together.
what you need.
Beautifully pulled together, and this bench with
With drawers.
drawers make me so happy.
So on our way upstairs, we'll also check out the guest suite that has its own full bathroom, which everyone needs. And the powder bath is such a statement.
Oh,
My
yeah.
favorite features are the spoonflower wallpaper mixed in with the trim. You have the warmth of the light fixture and Taj Mahal countertops.
And I love the painted ceiling too. This room is just beautiful. I love having it tucked away right here. It feels private, and having a front guest suite is fantastic. But can we talk about these rails and balusters? I mean, these are gorgeous, and they really complement the railing on the front of the home as well.
Yes. So up here you'll find 3 additional bedrooms, all with ensuite baths.
Oh, look at this.
The thoughtful touch of a wellness room. And they already have mirrors hung in here too, and a mount for a TV.
I'm telling you, the wellness rooms are all the rage right now. So what I love about this house is the pop-up ceilings in the secondary bedrooms. It makes them feel light and bright.
Oh, absolutely. And then right here you have unfinished storage, which we all love. And it's honestly like an afterthought with most people.
It
like
really
builders
is.
don't intentionally add in unfinished storage for all of our keepsakes.
And you need it so much, and I love it being around this floor. I've walked through a lot of $5 million parade houses this year that have no storage.
So fluted glass. And bringing in
Divine.
the warmth of the stain from downstairs.
Shall we open?
Yes.
Wow.
The natural light. Once again, it's impeccable throughout this house.
This house, I mean, I could just sit in here all day.
Yes.
The light is beautiful. What a great space for family, entertaining.
Absolutely. I mean, it's an amazing space. And you also have this little wet bar
I love
that's
the
tucked
bar.
in with a wine fridge and beautiful Taj Mahal countertops. It brings in more warmth throughout the house.
It really fits the house. Okay, I want to go down and see the porch.
Now, this house is in one of the best locations in all of Raleigh.
You cannot overlook it. It is one of the best neighborhoods, Northridge Country Club. You know, people love living here because you've got a fantastic golf course, an amazing club, in a location that's so close to everything in Raleigh. There's a huge Lifetime Fitness right here. I'm loving the stone on this fireplace and the mantle.
Yes.
Wow.
And of course, you pick up on the flagstone on the porch with the steps. You have dual sliding doors.
I love the dual slider, so you're getting light everywhere. This is just a beautiful space for everyday outdoor living.
Absolutely, especially here in North Carolina. But take a seat because there's one little detail that you haven't seen yet.
Love it.
And you got to appreciate a phantom screen.
I love a phantom screen, keeping all the bugs out, but letting the air in when you want it.
Absolutely.
So when it comes to Parade of Homes, this is one of the best kept secrets, one of the best neighborhoods, one of the best builders. And for those of you watching, this one just went on the market we would love to make it yours. Imagine living right here in Northridge Country Club in a house that feels like it's been here forever. This is the one. All our contact information is below. We'll see you in Northridge Country Club.